Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this FreeCAD Sheet Metal tutorial, I will show you how to create an embossing on a sheet metal plate with the help of FreeCAD Sheet Metal forming tool. The sheet metal forming command creates an embossed shape in a sheet metal wall using a separate solid object. Always make sure that the body containing the object to be embossed is the active body. Here, you find some examples about embossing. Unfortunately, these forming tools are not available in FreeCAD. We need to create these forming tools according to the size and the shape of the embossing. For this process, we need or import these two things. These are sheet metal object and forming tool. Here you find the steps and the tools for each of the following embossing processes. The depth of the embossed feature is restricted by the material's thickness and ability to stretch. Follow the following examples for more understanding the embossing process and the application of the forming tool in FreeCAD. I created and saved already 6 parametric forming tools. If you create a parametric forming tool, you will have a possibility to change the parameters to match the size and the shape of the embossing. These are the forming tools that I want to use for this tutorial. But you can create any geometry shape according to your requirement. As you see, I have the forming tools. The second object that I need for embossing is a sheet metal. Now, activate the Make Base Wall tool and then set the parameters. In step 1, I will show you the application of the bridge forming tool. The sheet metal should be the active body. First, select the face of the sheet metal object to be embossed. Hold down the Control button and add the top and the opposite side faces and then invoke the Make Forming in Wall tool. A wall-forming object will be created at the center of the selected face to be embossed. But you can change the position by changing the value of X and Y in the task panel. In step 2, I will show you the application of the dimple forming tool. Select again first the top face of the sheet metal and hold down the Control button and add the upper face of the dimple forming tool, and then activate the Make Forming in Wall tool. The third example is about louvre forming tool. Select first the top face of the sheet metal and then add the bottom and the one side face of the louver forming tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, I will show you the application of the Drawn Cutouts Forming tool. Again, first select the top face of sheet metal and then add the top and the bottom faces of the Drawn Cutouts Forming tool. In step 5 and in step 6, I will show you how to create the embossing with another shape of forming tools. The procedure is the same. The only difference is the faces to be selected on the forming tool. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. In the next video, I will show you how to create, save, and import parametric forming tools. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.